MyBodyFitty.com claims to offer health and fitness products that promise to support your wellness journey. But is this website actually legitimate, or should you stay away? In this quick review, I'll cover the most important things you should know before placing an order. First, let's talk about the website itself. MyBodyFitty.com has a simple layout and showcases a variety of fitness and wellness products. You'll find product images, descriptions, and pricing that look fairly standard. At first glance, everything appears professional. However, a good-looking website doesn't automatically mean it's trustworthy. One thing I always recommend is checking whether the company provides clear contact information. A legitimate online store should make it easy to reach customer support if something goes wrong. Also, take a look at the shipping policy, return policy, and refund process before you buy. These details can tell you a lot about how a business treats its customers. Another important step is reading customer reviews from independent websites. Don't rely only on testimonials posted on the company's own site. Look for reviews that discuss product quality, delivery times, customer service, and refund experiences. If you notice a large number of complaints about missing orders or poor support, that's definitely something to keep in mind. You should also check whether the website uses secure payment methods. Always look for the padlock icon in your browser and make sure the web address begins with HTTPS. Paying with a credit card or a trusted payment service can give you extra protection if something goes wrong with your purchase. From what I've found, there's not a huge amount of independent information available about MyBodyFitty.com. That doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it does mean you should be a little more careful. New or lesser-known websites deserve extra research before you spend your money. So, is MyBodyFitty.com legit or a scam? Right now, I'd say it's a website that deserves caution rather than blind trust.